Alright, good afternoon, everyone. It's good to be here again once more to bring you an interesting upload. I want to briefly introduce an aspect of pure science that deals with life, that deals with the study of living things, and that is biology. Alright, whenever we hear the word biology, we should know that it has to do with the study of life because logy means life and bio. Logy means study and bio means life. So marrying the two words together, biology will simply be the study of life. Alright, having said that, I will want us to note that things that have life in them are said to be living things. So if you want to know that this is a living thing, it must have life in it. And how will you know that something has life in it? It's the ability of whatever you're thinking to be living, to be able to carry out the life processes. The life processes, all of the life processes. And these life processes, we use the acronym Miss Green to represent it. MRSGREN. Miss Green. I'm going to give us the meaning of the individual letters in that acronym. Miss Green. M is for movement, R is for respiration, S is for sensitivity. Some people will use the word irritability. So we've talked about movement, we've talked about mentioned respiration, sensitivity. The G is growth, E is excretion, N is what? Nutrition. So it's important. It's important. And the other R there is reproduction. So for you to know that this is living, that organism must be able to move, grow, respire, excrete, sense danger, and all of that. So living things generally are able to carry out these life processes. I am a living thing. The reason is I carry out all these life processes, which is very important to survival. Alright, having said that, we also need to note that living things are divided broadly into two groups. Two groups broadly. Living things are in groups two, plants and animals generally. So if you're a living thing, it's either you are a plant or you are an animal. Yes, though in the animal kingdom there are different subgroups and all of that. And even in the kingdom Plantae, because we have the monerans, some which with plant-like, and we have the protists and all of that. They are other little kingdom. But broadly, living things are in two categories. You are either a plant or an animal. Alright. When we advance progress in biological science, we'll be exposed to the five kingdoms, the kingdom Monera, the protists, the fungi, the plantae, and the animalia. But generally, we're looking at generally, if you're seeing something, it's either you're seeing a plant or an animal. Alright, if we've said that, then we'll have to note or go back to the life processes we've talked about. These processes should be exhibited by anything you think is living, whether it's a plant or an animal. The inability of anything you're spotting out or looking at to carry out all of these processes, it's tantamount to non-living. So we have to take note of that. Living things, that's what we're very much interested in biological science, because biology simply deals with the study of life. So when you hear someone talking about plants or someone talking about animal, that person is looking at biological science. It is very important that we take note of that. Okay, sorry about that distraction. So we have to note this. If I'm a scientist or someone who is an expert in the study of animals, that's actually zoology. That's a zoologist generally. And the one who is an expert in the study of plants is a phytologist. Some people say is a botanist because the study of plants is botany or phytology. So it's important that we take note of this. Plants, the study of plants and the study of animals. A plant scientist is known as a botanist or a phytologist, while an animal scientist is known as a zoologist because that study is zoology. So we have to take note of this. We have said that science is the study of nature, the behavior and the characteristics of natural things and natural processes. And if we're talking about natural things, living things fall under natural things, and they are divided into two broad categories: plant and animals. The scientific study of plants is called botany or phytology, and the scientific study of animals is known as zoology. And an expert in that is a zoologist if you are interested in the study of animals, and a botanist or a phytology if you are an expert in the study of plants. So it's important for us to take note of that. So I come your way again with yet another interesting and exciting video. Stay blessed.